added 4 different products which are totally organic in nature, like soap nut, xanthan gum, cocoa glucoside, and the essential oil, to make these 3 other products. It is not biomedical waste, it is simple fruit and vegetable peels, you can say, droppings, you can say, pomace, you can say. Biomedical waste is not included here. Nowadays the farmers are facing a problem of kinnu droppings. Even other fruit droppings are there, like mango dropping is there, right? So whenever that dropping is there, it's a big loss, more than 30 to 40%. It can be prepared at home also. I'm preparing this product for the last 6 years at home using this product. I'm not purchasing any cleaner at home, like you have to clean the toilet seat, wash basin, your tiles, your exhaust fans, your plastic like bucket, mug, tub, etc. But if you are using the bioenzymes, there is no corrosion. The scaling is also removed slowly and slowly. It's a very good drain declogger also. So when you add the concentrated in your clog type pipes, you will see after 24 hours or 48 hours, the pipes are easily cleaned.
Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. We usually purchase chemical based products from the market to clean the utensils, floor, or even for the hand wash. But sometimes these chemical based products, they causes some harmful effects. So now Department of Renewable Energy as well as Department of Microbiology of Punjab Agriculture University Ludhiana, they have come up with some special home care products which they claim that these are totally chemical free, 100% chemical free. So we are having with us Dr. Urmila Gupta, Head of the Department of Microbiology, Punjab Agriculture University, and we will know what are the benefits of these products. So first of all, welcome ma'am to The Sovera.
Thank you.
Ma'am, you have come up with these 4 products as I can see on your table. So what are the benefits of these products?
Actually, these are called as the bioenzyme based products, or you can say it's a fermented solution which is prepared from any type of organic waste. These products are mainly produced from the citrus peels and pomace along with the droppings. So what we have done is, it is very easy to prepare, as I told, because it is prepared from the waste material generally which is discarded at home, and it adds to the municipal waste content. And the uses are, particularly it's the cleaning application, it acts as a multi-purpose cleaner. The first product, that is PAU Ecosol, it is the base product which not only have the cleaning applications, but it also have different application in the agriculture, animal wound healing, in composting, vermicomposting, bioenergy production. You can add a list of application of this particularly single product. Okay, but PAU has recommended the technology yet only for the cleaning purpose, and from this single product we have developed 3 more products. The reason was because it is totally watery and fluid in nature, and no foam is produced here. It is again non viscous in nature. But when we talk about the user applicability and the, you can say, likeliness, they want some material which is copying as per the market product, which are thick in nature, having some color, they are producing foam, etc. So what we have done is, we have simply taken this bioenzyme as the base product, added 4 different products which are totally organic in nature, like soap nut, xanthan gum, cocoa glucoside, and the essential oil, to make these 3 other products.
So as you mentioned that these products are made from the biomedical waste.
It is not biomedical waste, it is simple fruit and vegetable peels, you can say, droppings, you can say, pomace, you can say. Biomedical waste is not included here. Simple home waste, whatever in the kitchen waste, you can say. It is
Kitchen
the
waste.
simple kitchen waste or the droppings at the agriculture field.
Okay.
Like nowadays the farmers are facing a problem of kinnu droppings.
Right.
Even other fruit droppings are there, like mango dropping is there.
Okay.
Right, so whenever that dropping is there, it's a big loss, more than 30 to 40%.
Right.
So they can simply collect these droppings and they can prepare the bioenzyme from it.
So it is from
Any
any type
type
of
of
waste,
waste.
kitchen
Yeah.
waste, or whether it is flowers also.
Yes, it is also like nowadays we are using the flowers for marriage palaces, in the temples, in gurdwaras. So those wastes are generally wasted and it is used for composting and all.
Right.
Because composting is a somewhat like what I feel, it's a tedious process. It requires space also. Sometimes the problem of flies and mosquitoes are there. But the bioenzyme preparation, it is very clean, requiring very less space. You can do it at your own home. There is no need of infrastructure of any type.
Okay.
In fact, it is the reuse of the plastic bottles
Okay.
what is considered as a big environmental pollutant.
Right. Right. So, ma'am, these products can be manufactured at home, or we have to buy it from the market only?
It can be prepared at home also. I'm preparing this product for the last 6 years at home using this product. I'm not purchasing any cleaner at home.
Okay.
Like you have to clean the toilet seat, wash basin, your tiles, your exhaust fans, your plastic like bucket, mug, tub,
Mhm.
etc. Even the scaling is removed. Like if you see your taps, the when you use the synthetic chemicals, there is always a scaling and corrosion. But if you are using the bioenzymes, there is no corrosion. The scaling is also removed slowly and slowly.
Okay.
It's a very good drain declogger also.
Okay.
So when you add the concentrated in your clog type pipes, you will see after 24 hours or 48 hours the pipes are easily cleaned.
So how we can manufacture it at home?
Yes, you can prepare, like if you have, you can remember like 3 is to 1 is to 10 ratio.
Okay.
3 part of the waste material,
Okay.
1 part jaggery, good,
Okay.
10 parts water.
Okay.
And the plastic bottles we always have at our home. Either it could be any drink bottle, any jaggery bottle, dal, etc. Whatever plastic bottles you are having.
Right.
But only condition is it should be airtight in nature.
Okay.
Add 3 katoris or 3 bowls of one thing,
Right.
and 1 bowl of jaggery, 10 bowls of water.
Okay.
Place it or put it into that bottle,
Right.
make it airtight.
Right.
Keep it at the any place
Okay.
at the home. Generally, if we are working in the kitchen, it becomes easy for a working woman also or any lady to place that content in the wash basin, the place below the wash basin, etc., any corner,
Okay.
or it could be placed at any shed or any room, wherever. At room temperature it has to be kept.
Okay.
But only condition is nearly 20% of the space needs to be free,
Okay.
so that the gas which is produced during anaerobic fermentation, it is can be adjusted, and later on this gas is released.
Right.
So there is a process of releasing the gas. This is the only one precaution to prepare good quality bioenzyme.
Right.
And for that we are also giving training here through skill development center.
Okay.
It's a regular training, maybe the single lecture training, 1 day training, and 2 day training, depending upon the requirement of the users.
And it should be kept away from the sunlight, or we can keep in sunlight as well.
No, we should not keep it in directly under the sun, because the quality will not be like somewhat low quality product will be there. But if you say like suppose we have to go for higher production, means upscale production, say 200 liter, 500 liter.
Mhm.
So these drums, even water tanks which are airtight, they can be kept in the farms also,
Right.
in the field also, in between the trees where
Okay.
shade is there.
Shade.
Shade is there.
Okay.
So that direct sunlight is not
Right.
reaching
And how
over.
much time it will take?
Yeah, it takes 3 months time. So when the people learn about 3 months time, they generally feel that it's a very lengthy process.
Mhm.
But what I have observed in my experience is that we can go for cycle,
Mhm.
like daily, or after 2 days you can place one bottle.
Right.
Then this cycle goes on, because the space requirement is very less.
Right.
right? And slowly, and only you have to devote 5 minutes of the time for releasing the gas, not more than that. And after some time, when the gas production ceases, simply you keep it there. After 3 months, you have to put the date so that you remember that which day you have started the cycle. And then after 3 months, the solid settles at the base and liquid comes at the top. That liquid is filtered or decanted off. Place it in again airtight bottle. That is the only condition. You can keep it at room temperature. There is no need of refrigerator, nothing else. Even for 1 year, more than 1 year, this product can be placed or maintained at home. Another interesting thing, the lower part, which you will say that peels, what you are going to do, that is a very good fertilizer. And that can also be used in the next cycle as inoculum, like जैसे खट्टा लगाते हैं. So 20% inoculum can be further used. So nothing is waste here. It is zero economy or zero waste technology. Not zero economy means zero waste technology.
So if ma'am, if we purchases chemical based products from the market, we used to dilute them by putting some quantity in the water. So these products can will also be required to be diluted when we are using it.
So that will depend upon the application. Suppose you want to clean the wash basin or the toilet seat, you can directly pour it. But if you have to clean the tiles or the you have to use it for the floor cleaning in the pocha, and then same way the other cleaners we are using, like two caps of this in 5 liters of water. If you wash to clean your clothes, you can again take say 20 ml of this and 5 liters of water, dip into the same way the other things are being used. It is used in the similar way. Yes, depending upon the dirt, you can increase the quantity of this thing.
So, ma'am, if we compare the cost of these products with the products available in the market, what is the difference?
There is a huge difference in the bioenzyme based products. Generally, this range varies from rupees 150 per liter to even 700 800 rupees per liter. But as you see that the cost of production is very less. In PAU, we are selling this product, and this bottle of 200 ml, it is being sold at a rupees of 30 only. And these three products, these are sold at a rate of rupees 60 per 200 ml. But I had purchased the same similar bottle at rupees 200.
There is a big difference.
Yes, definitely, because we want to disseminate this technology. We want to make the people aware that organic products are to be used maximally at the home, so that we can save ourselves along with the environment from the harmful effects of the chemicals which are generally available at home.
If one do not want to produce these products within the home, how they can purchase it?
Yes, they can purchase from the Department of Microbiology. This product is generally made in the biogas lab of Department of Renewable Energy and Engineering. From there, we have collaborated and we are selling this product in Department of Microbiology. So anyone can contact Head Department Microbiology for taking these things. And also we are selling the technology, like transfer of technology. Suppose someone wants to start their own venture, startup or entrepreneurship, they can take this technology. This simple technology is available at a rupees of 25,000 plus GST. Whereas these technologies, we have to decide the cost as per our meeting at the directorate level. But we are ready for commercialization of this technology.
So, one last question: that are you planning to expand or produce more varieties?
Definitely, definitely, because there are so many applications, and each day motivates this concept of bioenzyme. You can take any of the agricultural produce, prepare the bioenzyme. For example, I have also produced from different flowers, even from paddy straw, even from cow dung. Now we are trying various herbal plants to explore the nutraceutical application of these things also. Yes.
So she was Dr. Urmila Gupta, head of the microbiology department here at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. So she has explained well in detail about these four products. So this is the base product PAU EcoSol, which has been manufactured from citrus-based kitchen waste, and she has mentioned how one can produce these products within their home. So there is a 3:1:10 cycle. We have to take three parts of kitchen waste, whether it is a citrus based product or other fruits or vegetable can
That yes can be.
vegetable waste can be used. So three parts of the kitchen waste, then one part of jaggery, which is good, and 10 parts of the water. So this ratio has to be combined in a plastic bottle, in a airtight bottle, and it has to be kept for 3 months. And we have to check that whether when the gas is produced, we have to release that gas, and we have to again the airtight the bottle. So this is the entire process, and we can manufacture it these home care products which are totally chemical free within our home, and we can even purchase it from the microbiology department of the Punjab Agriculture University.
Sir, I want to thank All India Coordinated Research Project ICAR because I'm getting the salary from ICR and funding for carrying out the research related to this bioenzymes. So special thanks should be conveyed to the ICR also.
So you are watching The Suvera. Stay tuned to us for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.